I really wish I I really wish House of CP would say hi to me or offer me something. But I really want to work with
Look
client
me in
security
the
or
eye so I
IDOS
can see
when they are going to reach out to me.
you.
You just have us knocking on those doors and as many doors as possible to see what opportunities there
Tell
exist.
me what you
If not,
hide
we are
that
going
I
to
can
ignore.
speak
If not, we just keep on
to.
knocking on those doors. That's just for the agency.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe that was going to be
Tell me where
a
you
no
going,
or
Oh no,
babe.
no, we don't
Where you
charge. Like no
going,
agency should charge a credit.
babe?
for me, I
Don't
just
wanna
I
wait.
genuinely just want to be
Tell me where you going, babe. Where
with
you going,
you.
babe? Why you gone? Just wanna get right. Don't wanna love line. I got a big fight. Fall down, stand up, get now, give me the truth. Where you going, babe? Why you come disguised? Martial love was never good, never good. Soften up Chopping up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, revealing every pretty bit of skin. Save her mind, all the pain, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and have a weight up on the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly about the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is what we come in. Even in the tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth acts up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a garden. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away, yeah. 'Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away now.
Ngicela sibasebenzise ithi kakhulu umamsani ngokuhlonipha kwakhe nokuzinikela kwakhe othandweni nase.
This is it. And guys, this is my mattress that I've been sleeping on, so please let's not mind that. This is the bedroom.
apartment kephi la eGoli?
Ingala eThekwini.
Oh. Hayibo. But do you think she's in Joburg? Eyakho.
Yeah.
Dang. Lima, noma uzama ukuhlakaniphela, because he said something to me about oh, abathutha umfana oyedwa. And sovuma so too. Ndaba no bengibuza lokho.
Surprise. Oh, okay, sure.
Ubani ugel?
Also, if he needs someone to go with, I'm sure we'll go and to go with type A, extra type A.
Sineyazi wena wabuza ku-status bazokuphendula. No, it's going to be packed as hell. Ayikho nje into engiyenzile. Yini into engiyenzile? There's nothing. I don't have time for these men, eh? At all. Ayikho nje into engiyenzile. Mina.
No, text me. That's a prof.
That's how he found out.
No, that's
It is you.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
I got a lot on my